In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your n8n credential to Google services. This is a crucial skill if you want to automate workflows using Google's suite of tools through n8n. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do. First, you'll need to create a project in the Google Cloud Console. This project is like a workspace that houses and organizes your API settings, which is important when you're dealing with multiple integrations or APIs. Head to the Google Cloud Console website and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, find the project drop-down right at the top and click on New Project. Give it a distinct name, something that makes sense to you and helps you quickly recognize what it's for. After naming it, click Create. This initial setup part is crucial because without a project, you can't proceed with enabling essential APIs that n8n will need to function correctly with Google services. With your project in place, it's time to enable the APIs required for your integration. Navigate to the API library within the Google Cloud Console by either searching for it or selecting it from the navigation menu. Here you'll find a variety of APIs that can be activated. Depending on your needs, you might enable APIs such as Google Drive, Gmail, or others. Click on the specific API you need and hit Enable. Make sure to review the APIs you require because enabling the right ones is key to ensuring your credentials work smoothly with n8n. Next up, configure your OAuth consent screen. This is an essential step because it defines how your application will present itself to users, detailing what data it intends to access. On the Google Cloud Console, find the OAuth consent screen option. Select your user type, internal if you'll only be accessing this application within your organization, or external if it will be available to anyone with a Google account. Fill in the necessary details like the application name, the support email, and ensure you add the correct scopes your application requires. Click Save and proceed. Once your consent screen is ready, you need to create your Google OAuth client credentials. These credentials allow the n8n system to communicate with Google services securely. Navigate to the Credentials tab and select Create Credentials, then Auth Client ID. Choose the application type that matches your use case. If it's for a web application, select that option and you'll be prompted to enter a redirect URI. After entering the needed details, click Create and you will receive a client ID and client secret. Keep these credentials safe as you'll need them for n8n. Finally, it's time to finish up your n8n credential setup. Go into your n8n environment, navigate to the Credentials section, and add new credentials for Google services. When prompted, enter the client ID and client secret you received. Save everything, and your connection should now be live. Following these steps carefully will ensure a successful connection between your n8n credentials and Google services. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this instructional guide helpful.